Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What should do? Big man thing,
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever. Welcome back to my channel. Hold on, let me put something on my lips because my lips stay dry. I don't have nothing next to me right now, so we just gonna deal with it. Today we're gonna be doing a self-care vlog. So this is gonna happen over like the course of a couple days, and I'm just gonna tell you guys, like, give y'all a little rundown of what we will be doing in this vlog. Also, everything is DIY. I'm doing everything DIY right now just because I bought fake nails and I feel like I have to use them and stuff. So, and plus I can do my own hair. I've been practicing my wig. This is an old install, so don't look at this. But you know, I'm just trying to practice and make sure I can do everything for myself. And like, I used to be really good at doing my own nails, but I don't even like do that anymore. Anyways, I have everything written down here. So today, we're only doing one thing today. Today we're gonna be doing a protein treatment. Oh, I'm gonna work out and then do this. So yeah, so we have two things on the list for today. So today is core, because I didn't do, I think I missed a day of core last week, but I really cannot remember, which is bad. But so we're gonna start off with, my camera's dying. Okay, so we're gonna start off with core today. Then we're gonna be doing my protein treatment. So I've never done a protein treatment on my hair before, but we're gonna be doing it today. If you want to see the more in-depth version, I'm gonna be making a whole separate video about this and whatever. That's the agenda for today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this workout. What time is it? I'll charge my camera for a bit and then we're gonna get started on this self-care vlog. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Last you guys heard, like yesterday, I said I was gonna do my protein treatment, and then I said I was gonna come back and work out. Whoopsie whoopsie woo. That did not happen. I was editing my video, right? So like what I wanted to do, like I recorded, told y'all what I was gonna do. I wanted to finish editing this clip that I was editing, and then I was gonna start working out and whatever. But what happened was I fell asleep. That's what happened. So I fell asleep, and then after that Shamar came over, so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. So here we are, it's tomorrow. So I have on my cute little robe, so I'm about to go start the other video, but I just wanted to come back and check in with y'all and tell y'all what's up. So today I'm actually gonna be washing my hair and doing everything first. Then I'm gonna work out, I think, because I just ate. I don't want to work out right now, but it's still early. It's all right. I'm gonna just work out after everything, because today's core. When I do core, I don't really sweat like that. I don't know, I don't really sweat. The only time I really be sweating is when I'm doing the glutes, honey. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. She looks very pretty. She's very pretty and very fluffy. I don't know why it looks like I'm balding. I'm not, I promise you. You see, y'all, you see the hair is there, right? I'm cool. I'm a fan, but I'm keeping my cool. Alrighty guys, so
yeah, I'm out there for you.
Your food not there?
No, it says complete.
They took a picture?
No, it's Domino's.
Oh, okay, go ahead. But yeah guys, oh, camera's dying. I finished my hair. If you want to see the protein treatment routine, whatever, go ahead and check out that video. Now I'm about to do my cornrows. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit. When I'm doing the cornrows on this side, I'll come back and record. Sorry y'all, I'm so lit right now. Like, I'm so lit right now. Where's my bonnet, y'all? I can't find my bonnet, so y'all are gonna get egghead Keisha. So y'all know when you see this bald cap, what's going on. I got a wig today in the mail, very much needed. So we gotta make some videos, you feel me? So I'm gonna do that today as part of this cute little self-love vlog. So she's over there, y'all can see her. She's currently being bleached. So I'm bleaching the knots, and today I want to do like a layered look. I went to the beauty supply. And I got one of these combs. People use these to like cut layers, but if that doesn't work out, I'll just go with my handy dandy. Now I don't feel like cutting layers is that hard. I feel like basically when you cut edges on a wig, like, you know, when you're not really cutting it, like you're just going down the hair like that. I feel like I could do that. Like I can definitely do that. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna find a picture to show you guys so you guys know like what I'm talking about. Layers on frontal. I want to see that black, girls. Thank you. So I'm gonna go for like, there was like this specific picture that I saw. So basically this is not the picture, but this is basically the type of look that I'm going for. Because the hair they sent me was like 20 inches, but it's actually not 20 inches. It's giving very much 18, which is okay because that's the type of vibe I wanted anyways. I didn't want it long. I wanted it to sit like right here. So that's kind of like the vibe that we're getting from the hair. All right, so like this, you see how this model looks, but just imagine it like shorter. I'm trying to find the exact picture. I didn't save it. Whenever I bleach knots, y'all, my chest, I need to drink water, like to inhale those fumes. I just forgot to put on a mask. Excuse me, thank you. All right, so this is basically the look. This is basically what it's giving. Real cute. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this for my TikTok video. So yeah, guys, yesterday I decided not to work out. Excuse me. Yesterday I did the protein treatment. I decided not to work out either because I just took a shower. I didn't want to get sweaty all over again, you feel me? So I didn't. And today again, it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to because I'm about to do my hair, and then I have to go meet Shamar because we're gonna go to H&M, and then after that we're gonna come back. He's gonna go play football, and I just did my hair, so I don't want to sweat my hair out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna just work out on the weekend while I'm at Shamar's house this week, but that's gonna be hard because he's just gonna distract me and laugh at me. I don't have time for that. I don't have time. But anyway, so that's what we're doing right now. The knots are being bleached, so I'm gonna come back when we start the install. Yeah, I'm gonna come back when we start the install. Today I'm also gonna be exfoliating and shaving my legs and all of that, so it's gonna be a really fun, productive, eventful day. So I got 5 more minutes before I go wash out the bleach and get started on my hair. Until then, I'm gonna just vibe, and yeah, I'll be back. Hold on, let me pause my TV. When I tell y'all I am over here struggling to do layers, I'm struggling. Like, they're just going every which way. They're not listening. I'm struggling. Okay, I cut layers, and the layers don't look bad. I feel like right here there's too much of a dip, but it's not a dip. It's just that the layers they're not curling the way that I'm telling them to go. I really just don't understand. I'm over here watching tutorials like how to curl layers. Like I am like completely clueless right now. I just don't know, y'all. I'm struggling, but I'm not gonna give up, so we're gonna have to figure this out. And I feel like eventually, okay, that was cute. I did that part. I did do that. You have to like grab the hair, you have to like twist it, but that's not what the girl said, but that's what I've had to do. I have to grab it, twist it, and like curl it upwards. Some of them you gotta keep twisting the hair to figure out which way you have to twist it for it to curl properly. But then it's not gonna, y'all, when I say it's stressing me, but watch this. I'm gonna curl it the way I want it to go. I'm gonna curl it inwards, all right? Look, watch this. Where is it going? Okay, so I'm gonna curl it upwards, like the girl in the video. She curled her ends up. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, let me curl it again. Let me curl it a little better. Take my time. Curl it. Okay, that's better. It's cute. It's just that this hair is pretty thin. Like, you see these layers in the front? To curl them, I have to twist it and then curl up. That was too much of a curl, but it's stressing me out. I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay guys, bit of an update. They were looking so much better just now when I don't know what happened between the seconds of me picking up my camera and doing it, but I'm gonna just keep watching videos and keep figuring it out. I'm not giving up on this. We gonna figure this out, okay? I don't know if I have to cut more. I don't think so. It looked better like 2 seconds ago, I swear. Hey guys, so it's the next day. My hair was done and it was so cute last night. But today we're doing my toes and my nails. So I came to the conclusion that I'm doing my toes white for sure. But my nails, I don't know if I'm gonna do black or if I'm gonna do pink. Sorry if I keep like, I don't know, it's allergy season. My nose is just very, I don't know, it's a little itchy, but it's not as bad. See, for my nails, I'm torn between black or pink. But I feel like I'm gonna do black just because I've been wanting black nails for like a minute and I never did like all black nails. So I just kind of want to try it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna start with my toes. I already have them prepped. Okay, I already have them prepped. So I'm about to watch some Love Island and we gonna get into these toes. Hey guys. Okay, so nails are done. They're cute or whatever. I don't know how I feel about them yet. They have to play with them already. I'm really ashy right now, but I'm about to go take a shower and everything. Oh, let me get a good visual of my nails real quick. Hold on, y'all. The nails. So here's the nails. They look good. Look at the rock light. Right now my toes, I want to get the sunlight on my toes too, so I'm gonna put my foot up here. That just made my toes look funny. But so that's done. Now I'm about to go take a shower and shave and exfoliate. Dang, it's 6 o'clock, so I need to be up and out of my house by 6 o'clock. I mean like 7 the latest, because I'm going to Brooklyn for the weekend, whatever. Yeah, so I need to hurry up, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm I'm gonna go jump in the shower, shave my legs, exfoliate, all of that. So yeah, let's get in the shower. I love how my hair looks like I didn't do it yesterday. Like, I love that look. You know that look? When you do your frontal and then the next day you come back to, like, you know, touch up, you know, and wear it because you took so long to do your hair, and then it looks like you had it in for a week. Yeah. That's not my hot comb. It's not hot comb. Like, the heat is not turned up. But so I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, fix my hair off camera, and I will come back with the end result. I'm gonna come back and just show you guys the end result, and then I'm gonna leave because I have to go. Okay, I'll be back.